In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a WordPress blog with Bluehost step by step. Whether you're launching a passion project or a business blog, this walkthrough will take you from idea to a live site you can share with the world. First, choose a domain name that reflects your blog's theme or brand. Aim for something short, memorable, and easy to spell. Avoid tricky hyphens and numbers if you can, and pick a domain extension that suits your audience. Check availability, say the name out loud, and make sure it's flexible enough to grow with your content. Next, sign up for a Bluehost hosting plan optimized for WordPress. These plans are designed to make setup simple and performance reliable. Select the option that fits your budget and expected traffic, and confirm the plan includes essentials like one-click WordPress, automatic updates, and helpful support. With hosting ready, use Bluehost's one-click WordPress installation to set up your site. The guided installer handles the technical parts in the background. You'll choose your domain, confirm basic site details, and in a minute or two, WordPress will be ready to customize. Keep a note of your WordPress login so you can access your dashboard anytime. Now, pick a WordPress theme that matches your style and customize it. Look for a clean, mobile responsive design that highlights your content. In the customizer, adjust colors and fonts, upload a simple logo, set up navigation menus, and fine-tune your homepage layout. Preview changes before publishing and check that everything looks great on both desktop and mobile. It's time to create engaging, high-quality content tailored to your audience. Start with a clear topic list and write posts that solve real problems or answer common questions. Use descriptive headlines, short paragraphs, and relevant images to improve readability. Keep your tone consistent so visitors know what to expect when they return. Optimize your blog for SEO to help people find your posts. Research the phrases your audience searches for and weave them naturally into titles, headings, and URL slugs. Write compelling meta descriptions, add internal links between related articles, and use descriptive file names and alt text for images. A logical category structure and fast loading pages also make a big difference. Finally, publish your posts consistently and promote your blog on social media. Choose a realistic schedule, batch your writing when possible, and stick with it. When a post goes live, share a concise teaser, use relevant hashtags, and engage with comments to build momentum. Repurpose key points into short videos or graphics to reach more people. Follow these steps, keep learning from your audience, and your WordPress blog will grow with every post.